It has been a year since the debut of Jurassic World Rebirth. Tonight we're drawing it. Yes, another dinosaur hybrid. This creature is mostly named Mutadon, codenamed as a flying raptor.
But the giant pterosaur is determined to feed. The screams from the nest are like a dinner bell to the predator. But the little ones aren't just crying in fear. They're calling for help. This fierce instinct to protect their young is central to the hadrosaur's remarkable success. But other dinosaurs are taking defense to a whole new level. Because the arms race between predator and prey is escalating. And this will give rise to the most iconic dinosaurs of all time. This will take so long that the continent of North America will shift. The land bubbling up into the sky. The Rocky Mountains. It's here in the foothills below that the dinosaurs are making an impact. Using their outrageously big skulls to duel for supremacy. And alongside them, a dinosaur with even more impressive headgear. Triceratops.
There he is, everyone. That's how you draw one of the Mutadons.
She may look like a rhinoceros, but she's twice the size.
One last thing to draw, and that's the...
And armed with spear-like horns, over 1 meter in length.
There we go. Oh yeah, one more thing I wanted to tell you. Speaking of dinosaurs, I also have, this. I was working on this, design for quite a while. Featuring all the characters from Jurassic World Live. You remember that live show, right? Well, don't worry, fans. I'll show you the complete project after it's finished. And trust me, it's gonna be beautiful. Have a Jurassic day. Good night.